Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to enable captions on a show in Crunchyrolls. I wonder why you want to know how to enable captions for a show on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you're a person who prefers the subtitles on the screens, or maybe the show is in another language so you want to understand it by enabling the captions in your own language. Or maybe you just want the captions on your screen so that it could be easy for you to understand the show. Or there could be any other reason for you to enable captions or subtitles on Crunchyrolls. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Crunchyroll app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. Once the app gets open, it will just take a while to load its content. After that, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. At first, you will see the title of the app, and there you will see other options at the top as well. And into the middle of the screen, there are different shows and series available that you could watch and enjoy. Other than these shows, we have some of the options as well at the bottom. As you can see, all these options have their own purpose that they perform in this app. So if you want the captions or the subtitles on your screen, so you can do that. You just have to simply go to your account, which is at the right bottom side of the option. This one, just simply tap onto it. Once you get here, first you will read the title of my account, and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options and stuff, there we have this section which says preferences, and under it we have this option which says captions. Right now it is turned off, but if you want the captions on your screen because you prefer it, because you like it, or maybe the shows are in a different language, mostly anime is in Japanese language and you don't understand it but you love watching it, or so you want to get to know what is happening in the show and you want a subtitle. So once you turn this on option, you will get subtitles on your screen. So right now I'm going to play this series or anime. Once it gets open, then we will see how the captions on this looks. So here you can see it has just started and you could also see the subtitles. Now I'll make the screen big and you will be able to identify there we have the subtitles. So that's how you can enable subtitles, or you could say captions on your screen for a show or maybe a series that you love and you can understand it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can enable captions on a show on Crunchyrolls. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.